Welcome to my next class, dear students. In the last two classes, I have explained to you how to find mean by direct mean method in the first class. And in the second class, I explained to you how to find mode. Okay. Now in this class, I'll show you how to find median. Let's start. This is the formula to find median, and you have to remember this formula. Keep in mind, this formula will not be given in the question itself. Okay, this is the formula, you should remember it. Now to find median, okay, we need cumulative frequencies. In finding mode, cumulative frequency is not needed, but in finding median, cumulative frequency is needed. So first we'll find the cumulative frequency. Let's see how to find. It is very easy. The first one will be as it is. The 4 is as it is. Now to write the second frequency, you have to add these two, first one and second one. Okay, 4 plus 5 is 9, so that will be here. And to get this one, we have to add all the three. Instead of adding all the three, what we will do, we'll add 9 and 13, because we already had 4 and 5, that is 9. Okay, 9 plus 13 will be 22. Okay, then 22 plus 20 will be 42. Then 42 plus 14, it will be 56. Okay, then 56 plus 8, it will be 64, and then 64 plus 4, it will be 68. Now we got CF, the values of CF. I hope you understand how to find the CF values. Now let's move towards finding median. Let's see what is all these things in the notations. L is the lower limit of the median class. We'll see how to find the median class. And N is the total number of frequencies. We have to add all this, and that value is here. Total frequencies are here. And CF is the cumulative frequency of the class preceding the median class. What is it? That we will see when we are solving. F is the frequency of the median class, and H the difference between the class interval. Let's see. First we have to find the value of n by 2. N divided by 2. N is the total frequencies. Okay, we have to add all this. We added already in the cumulative frequencies. The total is 68. Total number of frequencies are 68. If you add also here, you will get the same value, 68, divided by 2. When you divide, 2 1s are, 2 3s are, 2 4s are 8. Okay, we are getting 34. Now what we have to do is, we have to see in the cumulative frequency which value is near and greater than 34. Which value is near and greater than 34 in the cumulative frequency. That value is 42. 42 is the nearest and greater than 34. Based on this, okay, we'll decide our median class. So this will be our median class. This is the median class. Keep in mind, we have to write that one. Median class is 125 to 145 is the median class, and this will be our frequencies. As I said, this F is frequency of the median class. Okay, this is F. Now what is this CF? CF is the cumulative frequency of the class preceding the median class. This is not cumulative frequency. Most of the students do mistake here. Keep in mind, the cumulative frequency of the class preceding the median class. This is our cumulative frequencies. Okay, now we'll write all the values. L is, as we know, lower limit of the median class, that is lower limit is 125. Okay, then n by 2 we know it is 34. CF, cumulative frequency is 22, and F value, frequency is frequency of the median class, that is 20. And H, as I said, the difference between the class interval, that is 20. Now let's substitute all the values in the formula. Median is equal to, okay, I have written already formula here, so I will not write again. L is how much? 125. Let's substitute the values. L is 125, then sign is plus, then in the bracket n by 2. N by 2 is how much? That is 34, that we solved already, minus cumulative frequency is how much? 22. Okay, divided by F. F is how much? 20 into H. H is how much? 20. Now let's solve. This 125 as it is, plus 34 minus 22 is how much? That is 12. Okay, divided by 20 into 20. 20 ones are and 20 ones are get cancelled, so here only 12 remains. So it will be 125 plus 12, and when you add it will be 137. This is how we can find the value of median. Very important question this time, and in the next exam also, next year also, the question may ask. You have to practice this question, and you have to practice whatever question given in the book. And if you have any doubt, you can write in the comment section. I will solve your doubt. I hope you understood how to find the median. Thank you for watching my video, and if you don't forget to subscribe our channel, and don't forget to like, share and comment. Thank you for watching.